What's up, guys? These are the new Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 glasses. I got them in the limited edition Wayfair model. So let's unbox this. Only 7,500 pairs are made in this specific iteration. So there are only like two key differences between the Gen 1 and Gen 2 Ray-Ban Meta glasses. The first one is the battery. So this one lasts like 4 hours more than the previous generation. The previous generation only lasts for 4 hours, whereas this generation lasts for 8 hours, and with the case you get up to like 48 hours of the battery life. The second difference is the camera itself. So the new ones, they record the video at 3K at 30 frames per second, whereas the older one can only record the videos up to 1080, that's the full HD. Except that the whole build quality looks pretty much the same. Like the touchpad is the same, the LED seems to be the same so far, and whereas these the new the limited edition Meta Ray-Ban glasses, they're only 7,500 pieces made, and they are a little bit matte transparent, whereas the previous generation of the limited edition was the glossy transparent. And the lenses itself, these are the transitional lenses. They turn into like reddish ruby, like dark red color when they transition from like clear to dark, whereas the last generation was able to transition into the sapphire, like a dark bluish color. And they transition like pretty quickly. I'm telling you, like within like 10 seconds of being in the sunlight, they transition from completely being into clear to completely dark. And I hope like I don't have any issues with the Meta Ray-Ban, except the AI itself. Most of the time it gives me like wrong answers, or sometimes it can't really figure out what my question is. If you can't really tell me the answer, it just like cuts off right away. So I think the AI part has to do a lot of improving in the future, which I totally see. Like all the AI chatbots are like improving every single day, but as of right now, I don't really trust every single thing that the Meta AI says to me. For me, Grok and the ChatGPT are the one of the best AI models out there. Yeah, and also like I was also thinking about buying the new Meta Oakley Vanguard glasses. Those look very like tempting. They have very good design, and they have the camera in the middle as compared to being on the side, and they also have the LED a little bit above the camera too. So those are the one of the most like the futuristic sick looking glasses out there. They have the better speaker with like a better microphones. They have all the other features. They connect with your Garmin, with your Strava, and shows all the information in the app. And it also like gives you the milestones. If you complete like 1 kilometer, it will tell you the pace and everything, how fast you are running. And they have pretty good battery life, to the point that they say you can run 2 marathons in those glasses. But I don't really think so. It depends like how fast you run the marathon. And also like, and there are some new updates to the even the Gen 1 and the Gen 2. You can record the hyperlapse and the slow motion videos with these glasses. I think that will be with the next update of the Meta AI software. And that's pretty much is like I don't really see there's a big difference between the Gen 1 Gen 2. The Gen 1 are selling at a pretty cheap price right now, because with the release of the Gen 2 they have to like decrease the price of the Gen 1s, and these are staying at the same price, whereas the Gen 1 you can get at like $300 or something. And if I would recommend you to like check out the refurbished marketplace, because over there you can get the Gen 1 even like a lot more cheaper rate. If you don't really care about the camera quality, then I think you should like really go with the Gen 1 Ray-Ban Meta glasses. And also like with the battery, they last for 4 hours, but you can also like put the glasses in the case to like recharge your glasses. I don't think like you'll be out in the sun recording every single moment with the glasses for like 4 hours straight. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.